Mr. Sorce, I must confess that the shoot today is going to be a hard one for me with all these gold bears and licorice candy around.
This is also challenging for us. From here, we ship 5,000 pallets all over the world every day.
HARIBO, a family business with a history of almost 100 years, is still present today and one of the top 10 players within the international confectionery industry. The products, especially the legendary gold bears and licorice wheels, are eaten and loved by kids and grown-ups all over the world. The confectionery manufacturer is getting ready for the future. Part of that is the impressive HARIBO Logistics Center in Grafschaft, Rhineland-Palatinate, Germany. Why was the decision made in favor of SSI SCHAEFER?
Well, SSI SCHAEFER has an enormous know-how of the individual intralogistics components. The level of manufacturing is very sophisticated, and adherence to schedules is not just a guide, but deadlines are met. At the beginning, we calculated a project period of 2 years, and even managed to complete works before the due date. Yes, and finally, SSI SCHAEFER is a family business just like HARIBO. We like to work together with family businesses.
What does the intralogistics concept that you developed together with SSI SCHAEFER look like?
Here behind us, we have a fully automated high bay warehouse with 95,000 storage locations. All other pallet locations are semi-automated. We still have people walking to the pallets and taking cartons from them.
Pretty high here. 40 meters, you said?
40 meters, indeed.
What was the reason for this extremely high construction design?
We had to fit another story in here to mirror the same material flow technology we have downstairs up here. This gives us backup capacity on the second level if the occasion arises.
And the VAMA software, which role does it play within the material flow system?
We've already seen the entire logistics center, and if you compare it to an orchestra, then WAMAS is the conductor.
Last but not least, Mr. Sorce, we reached the goods out area, and there is something special about this area too, right?
Yes, we are in the goods out area now, and look at the centerpiece of goods out. This is a sorter system where pallets arrive directly from the high bay racking. They are sorted in sequence that the customer wants to receive them. Then they slide down a roller conveyor and are loaded onto the trucks. This is the first system in the world built this way.
So would you say this is a success story?
Absolutely. SSI SCHAEFER really made our dream of functional, modern, and fast logistics come true.
And I am really happy I overcame the temptations of all these sweets and candies around.
Wait a minute, I can't let you go like this. This is for you.
Oh boy.
You can enjoy them all by yourself.